With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, dimerization of NO2 is an exothermic reaction. If the enthalpy of the reaction, that is delta H, then what will be the minimum value of activation energy for the forward reaction? Okay, so basically, if we talk about a general activation energy curve for an exothermic reaction, right? So what happens in an exothermic reaction? If we talk about an exothermic reaction, then delta H is less than 0, right? Delta H is negative. So the curve that we draw for an exothermic reaction is something like this. Okay. So this is the curve that we draw and the difference between these two energies. Now here we have the progress of the reaction. Right. Here we have the progress of the reaction, and in the we have the energy. Right. Here we have the energy. So this is your EA forward, right? And this is your activation energy for the backward reaction. This is how we draw the curve, right? Now, if we talk about the delta H of a reaction, it is given as EA forward minus EA backward, right? This is the expression for the enthalpy of the reaction, which is equal to the activation energy of the forward reaction minus the activation energy of the backward reaction. This is the formula for delta H, right? Now, as we know that this is an exothermic reaction, so delta H is going to be negative. So what will be the minimum value of activation energy so that your value comes out to be negative? The minimum value will be 0, right? The minimum value that you can take for activation energy of forward reaction will be 0, right? Because activation energy cannot be negative, right? It will be positive only because you need some energy to reach the threshold energy, right? You need some energy to carry out the reaction. So activation energy is not negative. Therefore, the minimum value that you need is going to be 0 so that your overall answer comes out to be negative, right? So therefore, the minimum value for activation energy will be equal to 0. Right? Only then the answer will be negative. Negative because this is an exothermic reaction. So the correct answer is option 2. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.